Good afternoon guys, what's up and how are you? In today's vlog I actually have a very weird topic. I have actually mentioned it a couple of times already, probably. Well, I have mentioned it many times, but I don't know if those videos made it into the YouTube. But I didn't mention it many times, and probably on my streams I somewhere mentioned it as well. So the notion of imaginary bus stops. Now, what is an imaginary bus stop? That's what I call it, but I think in reality it's called hail and ride section. At least that's the name I know it by from a long time ago, when I used a bus W4 which had this section, and it was kind of, it's weird, because hail and ride section means hail, meaning you call him, you hail him pretty much. So in other words, put your hand up or something, call him over. So you hail him over and you ride. So that's the meaning of hail and ride, right? That should be the meaning of hail and ride. But it's not. Because what happens is that there are imaginary bus stops already set and existing. And people converge to those bus stops, imaginary ones, and the bus always stops there. So if you press stop button, the bus will not stop at the first junction or something. No. It will stop at the predestined, imaginary bus stop. So what's the point of that? I mean, if it's already predetermined, why not use just a simple pole that saying, there is a bus stop over there, and people who don't live there or just passing through there will know that it is a bus stop. Otherwise they have no way of knowing. So how is that helpful to anyone? And the answer is, it's not. So where I live now, well, not far away from where I live now at least, there is this road which I pass every day. And it has passing places, as you can see in my past streams. And so the passing places have those imaginary bus stops. So before the passing place, actually, there is an imaginary bus stop, and the bus stands in front of a passing place, blocking the whole thing behind. So it's blocking all the thing behind. There are cars incoming. You have priority. And you don't know what to do. You stand behind the bus, you have priority, but then the cars, thinking that the bus stops, lets them go. And because they have, let them through sign, so give priority sign on the passing places, they still go first. And it's confusing, it confuses drivers. Why would you have that if it confuses drivers? Isn't it better to actually put a fucking pole saying bus stop, and that's it? You don't have to do anything else. There is a bus stop over there, people can see that. And also another complaint I have is they actually don't put their fucking indicators on. They just stop. They just stop, and that's it. And let people out or let people in. What the fuck is this? They just stop. All of a sudden the bus stops and that's it. That's what he's gonna do. I'm gonna stop here in front of a passing place. If he gave an indicator, that would mean something, he's taking up, passengers or letting passengers out or something. But no, he's not doing that. Sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. They don't even put a fucking indicator on. Come on. So they don't put even the indicators on, and confusing the drivers and riders even more. So I'm asking, who the fuck designed this type of shit? Isn't it just, it's not expensive to actually put a fucking post in the ground. It's not expensive, is it? You don't have to, draw the lines or anything. Just fucking post. That's it. Telling people there is a bit of a steel pipe and a fucking plug. That's it. Nothing else. You don't have to do like, shelter ones or something. Just a fucking post saying there is a bus stop here. And with information, for example, what type of bus is, what type of on red. What type of bus is service, not service, yeah, is in service in here. That would be useful information as well. So for example, you visit a friend, well, maybe not visit a friend, but you are stranded somewhere and then you don't see any type of, well, in London you cannot be stranded though. That's a stupid idea. Now if you are stranded in London, you can just get any pretty much information you want from people around. They will tell you where the tube is, where the buses are. So it's not really any type of, where you're going. So yeah, it's a stupid notion, hail and ride, and it doesn't even mean hail and ride. What does it mean? It's nothing. It means the same thing as with the normal bus stops. It's just that they're invisible. They're imaginary bus stops. In the same place they will always be, but they're imaginary. So my question is, what the fuck, man? And I will show you what I mean in a minute, actually, or maybe two. So yeah, this is a stupid. See, there is this type of pole. That's all I need, to know there is a bus stop here. Just the pole. That's it. It cannot cost a lot. And putting, like 1,000 poles. When listen, they take a lot. Public transport takes a lot. So they can at least post the fucking post like this one. That's it. They don't have to do anything else. Just the post. They don't even have to display the fucking information shit because I don't know. People already have applications and stuff. They know better when the bus is coming than the fucking Arriva or whoever the company of the buses is. So now they know better than them because they have applications on their phones. So sometimes on the bus stop there is you'll find a digital schedule board, and sometimes there isn't. So when there isn't, you don't know when the bus is gonna come. But people have applications; they will know when the bus is coming. So the people know better when the bus is coming than the organization itself. That's how the technology has moved in the world. So people know better. And so that's what I'm saying, guys. We are coming to this zone. This is where the zone is. It's not the hole, it's not here yet. But it will be soon. And just want to show you. So it's gonna start very soon. In my vlogs, I always say that imaginary bus stop. And that's what I refer to, the imaginary bus stops. They're not visible. There's no pole, there's nothing, there's no markings, nothing. And I will show you where the bus stop is. Okay, see this light over here? See that, right? See this post over here with North Countess Road? This is where the bus stop is. So, what the fuck? Who is going to know where the bus stop is? There is no such thing as a pole with saying there is a bus stop here. No, there is nothing. Another bus stop over there on the right hand side. In front of the passing area. Bus stop over here. Where is the marking? Where is the post? Where is anything? Nowhere. That's what I'm saying, guys. This is wrong. I will show you another one. Bravo. And the guy on the bike as well. Bravo. I mean, he could pass on the bike because I am on the bike. But if it was a car, then he might be fucked. Anyway. So, right, and there's another one. You see the roundabout? The mini roundabout? After the roundabout, straight ahead where the white car stands, on the right hand side, a bus stop. Now, again, nothing to indicate that there is a bus stop here. That's what I'm saying, you know, it's pointless. How do you know? I live in around this area. So I know there is a bus stop because I go this road every day and I see buses here. But people who go this road first time, they don't know. And a bus can stop all of a sudden without any type of explanation and without sometimes even, you know, putting an indicator on. And then, you know, accident or something may happen. So yeah, that's the topic I have today. I mean, yeah, of course you do. So yeah, if you like my videos, it's a bit interesting topic, I think, you know. An interesting topic for you guys. Just to, you know, think about this. I'm not really raging or anything. I'm just showing you something interesting. Maybe you never saw that. It's called Haven, right? And there are imaginary bus stops in London. So, hope you liked it. It's a bit of information. Not very useful to many people. But, you know, at the same time. So thanks guys for watching. If you like my videos, subscribe and like. And I will see you in my next vlog. Blast out!